Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 207. Solve the equations 5 over 3x minus 2 over x equals 6. At looking the solution set, I can eliminate 8 and b right away because x cannot be 0. Since x and 3x is at the denominator, it cannot be 0. So we have only two choices left. So now let's working on this problem. So the domain of this problem is we have to solve for the denominators and we have to set it different from 0 and x different from 0. Okay, that's why we can eliminate a and b. 5 over 3x minus 2 over x equals 6. So I can multiply both sides by 3x because my x is different from 0. So I multiply 3x both sides. Now I distribute 3x times 5 over 3x. I can eliminate the 3x and left with 5. Then I can take 3x multiply by negative 2 over x. The x is cancelled. So 3 times 2 is 6. The negative keep the same. That equals 6 times 3x is 18x. Now simplify the left hand side. I have 5 minus 6 is negative 1 equal 18x. Then divide both sides by 18. To isolate x, we will have x equal negative 1 over 18. Okay, it's similar. So the correct answer is C. And in this case, the least common denominator is a 3x. Because 6 is like 6 over 1. Okay, so we can say if we want to do the second part, some people will do like this. We have 5 over 3x minus 2 over x equals 6 over 1. Okay, 6 is 6 over 1. So now we know the least common denominator is 3x. We see that the first fractions we have 5 over 3x. So the denominator already 3x, we keep it the same. Now the second one, you know that is 2 over x, but the least common denominator is 3x. From x to be 3x, I multiply top and bottom by 3. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1, I didn't change anything, but now I make it become negative 6 over 3x. Okay, now this one equal 1 to be 3x, I multiply 3x at the bottom. I also make I have to multiply 3x on the top so that 3x divided by 3x is the same as 1. So it's 6 times 1 is just 6. I didn't change anything, but now the ratio becomes 6 times 3x is 18x over 3x. Seeing that we can combine the fractions with the same denominators, so 5 minus 6 is 1 over 3x, negative 1 over 3x, equal 18x over 3x. So the denominator is the same. It means the numerator have to be the same. So negative 1 have to be equal 18x. So we divide both sides by 18. Then we have x equal negative 1 over 18. That is two way. Okay. You can multiply both sides by the least common denominators, or you can change or convert every fraction become every term with the same denominator and the least common denominator. The answer is the same. It's different point of view, but the answer have to be the same. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.